Conditions not for bird watching this weekend. I think most of us can expect a dry weekend. There will be a little bit of rain around, particularly across eastern parts of England early on Saturday, but by and large the weekend will be a dry one across the UK. There'll be a fair amount of cloud across the UK as well, but just like today, some places will enjoy some sunshine. In fact, the weather not really changing too much. The weather's been dominated by this large area of high pressure for most of this week. It's still with us through Saturday, and it's still with us on Sunday as well. So as I said, most places should be dry thanks to that area of high pressure. Under that area of high pressure, though, there has been a fair amount of cloud around, especially down the eastern side of the country. It's still pretty gloomy in Aberdeen, for example, and for some it feels quite miserable out there because the wind's coming in off the North Sea and the north coast of Norfolk here with persistent rain. Temperatures just 7 Celsius, but I imagine it feels a lot colder than that. By contrast, some almost spring-like sunshine in southern parts of Wales with lighter winds, temperatures here up to 10 Celsius. And in fact, a good part of Wales, northwest England and especially southern Scotland continuing to enjoy that sunshine throughout the rest of the afternoon. And it's not just East Anglia seeing the rain, that rain also affecting parts of Lincolnshire and as far south as Kent. And northern Scotland hanging on to the thicker cloud and drizzly rain also. And there's a fairly brisk and gusty northerly wind out there too, so it doesn't feel too clever. As we've seen, though, with some sunshine, we might hit 10 or possibly 11 Celsius. Now, overnight tonight, most of us staying frost-free because we'll keep a lot of clouds. Still some drizzly rain down the eastern side of the country, but one or two places will hang on to the clear skies, especially southwestern Scotland. And where that happens, well, we could see a touch of frost. Also across the Welsh Marches, temperatures could get down close to freezing, but most of us just about frost-free. There might be a little bit of fog around as well into the morning. But tomorrow, basically a similar story with central and eastern counties of England's rather grey and gloomy through the morning with outbreaks of rain. The southeast corner hanging on to the damp conditions throughout the day. Elsewhere, well, a fair amount of cloud, but parts of southern Scotland, southwestern parts of England and Wales, again, probably enjoying a little bit of sunshine. And with maybe lighter winds tomorrow, not feeling too bad, 8 or 9 again, the top temperature. So not bad for the FA Cup fourth round. Might just be a spot or two of rain at St Mary's. Should be dry at Old Trafford. And for Sunday's game at Boundaries Park, again, it should be dry. One subtle change on Sunday is the winds won't be coming in quite from the north, more from the northwest, which means in particular eastern counties of England should be a little bit brighter on Sunday. Again, most places dry, and again, getting a touch warmer, temperatures reaching double figures. Darren, that's all from me for now.